Welcome to Mercedes-Benz of Chicago, Chicago's Mercedes-Benz dealer.
If you're looking for an automobile with great attributes, look no further. With a reliable engine driven by an automatic transmission, stand out from the crowd with premium wheels. Anti-lock brakes help you bring your vehicle to a safe stop. Indulge in the comfort of heated seats. Enjoy the comfort of dual temperature controls. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle information. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride. Power door locks, power windows, cruise control, an AM/FM stereo with multi-disc CD player, a satellite radio, air conditioning, and for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included: front ventilated disc brakes, curtain head airbags, passenger airbag, side airbag. Call today to schedule a test drive.
Visit Mercedes-Benz of Chicago today, located at 1530 West North Avenue, Chicago, Illinois, 60642.